Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. This Garmin Dash Cam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alerts you to parking lot pranks. It looks like the 66W is still on sale for now, so it's a cheaper alternative that shares this dash cam's key specs. The Garmin Dash Cam 67W truly excellent dash cam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features, and which records top-quality video. It's not the cheapest, but it is a top-notch dash cam that does everything without being needlessly complicated. Even the mounting system is super simple. It's a must-buy, and deserves the number 1 spot in this guide. Number 2. Thinkware U1000 Dual Dash Cam. If you're looking for an all-singing, all-dancing dash cam that does everything, but also lacks a screen to distract you while driving, this is it. The Thinkware U1000 shoots in sharp 4K video, albeit with the associated huge file sizes, through a wide, 150-degree lens. There's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, which is used to serve up speed camera alerts and add location and speed data to all of your recordings. An optional rear camera can also be purchased and plugged into the main unit, which shoots in 2K resolution at 30 frames per second for sharp footage of what's going on behind you. Enhanced night vision and wide dynamic range help to produce high-quality video during the day and night. We admit this is an expensive option, and it has to be hardwired into your vehicle. But if it's a feature-packed, high-quality dash cam you want, this is it. Number 3. Thinkware F200 Pro Full HD 1080p Wi-Fi Dash Cam. In this phone-centric world, many dash cams are opting to get rid of the screen entirely. The Thinkware F200 Pro is one such camera, requiring you to hook up your phone via Wi-Fi and the app to monitor what's going on in real time. If you think you'll miss an integrated display, then this isn't one for you, but otherwise the F200 Pro is decent value, taking nice-looking full HD video with the wide color gamut. It also has some driver assist features, such as lane drift alerts and slow-speed front collision warnings. An integrated supercapacitor also holds a little charge in order to keep the cam going for a few seconds in the event of sudden power interruption. It can be purchased solo or with an optional rear unit. Number 4. Nexbeam GPS Full HD 1080p Dash Cam. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use and simple dash cam, then the Nexbeam GPS is a fantastic option. It's super easy and intuitive to set up and works extremely well with the connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them within the easy-to-use app is also fantastic and great for quickly finding exactly what you need. There is no built-in screen on the dash cam itself, but because of this, it is small and discreet on your windshield. For those who use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, however, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera, but without the added functionality that the phone brings, so for that reason, it's not recommended for that type of user. Number 5. Kenwood DRVA 601W 4K Dash Cam. Kenwood is a popular choice if you buy your dash cam from a dealership, but you can buy its range of dashboard cameras online too. This 4K model is great value, offering useful features such as built-in GPS, a bright f1.8 wide-angle lens, and an integrated polarizing filter for cutting through windshield reflections. The magnetic mount makes this easier and more between different vehicles than with some rivals. You get a 16 GB South Dakota memory card supplied, but you can use as up to a capacity of 256 GB if you want to keep footage for longer or do lots of driving. A dual camera kit is also available,